Ka-wellness, start your day right. Let's talk about your wellness. I am Teacher Maricel and I am your wellness buddy. In this lesson, I will help you learn how to keep good hygiene. How do you keep yourself clean and healthy? Let's talk about the regular practices that you should be following to maintain good personal hygiene. Are you ready? Let's begin the learning! Personal hygiene refers to practices to take care of your own health by keeping your body clean and your surroundings sanitized. The word sanitized means free from microorganisms. Now, let's learn the different practices that you should regularly do. Bathing. Bathing every day and wearing clean clothes are both important hygiene practices, since adolescents are prone to body odor due to the hormonal changes that begin in puberty. Excessive sweating can cause body odor when sweat combines with bacteria on your skin. Wearing dirty clothes after bathing just exposes you again to the presence of bacteria. Make sure to wear clean clothes and underwear every day. Taking a bath is especially important for girls who are menstruating. Some believe in the myth that bathing during your menstruation is bad, but that is not true. Bathing can help you to be comfortable during your monthly period. You should replace your sanitary pads as often as needed, or at least every 3 to 5 hours. Also, it's important not to share towels, combs, or brushes. Do you know why? You should not share towels, combs, brushes, or even hair accessories to avoid the spread of lice and nicks. Another important personal hygiene practice is brushing your teeth. Why is it important to brush your teeth? When we chew food, some of it gets stuck to our teeth and gums, while some of it gets stuck in the spaces between our teeth. There is a sticky film that builds up on the surface of your teeth called plaque, and it has a lot of bacteria. The bacteria and plaque produce acids that can damage the outer layer of your teeth, causing cavities and tooth decay. Did you know that you are not supposed to rinse your mouth out after brushing your teeth? This is so that the fluoride in the toothpaste will remain on your teeth to protect them against plaque. Here is the proper way to brush your teeth. Squeeze a pea-sized amount of toothpaste onto the toothbrush or teeth, especially the molars in the back, for at least 2 minutes. Spit the toothpaste out but do not rinse. Wipe your mouth using hands with some water. Rinse your toothbrush with plain water. Cutting your fingernails. It is another important hygiene practice. If your fingernails are long, dirt and bacteria can get trapped under your fingernails. Keeping nails trimmed is important to maintain your health. Lastly, hand washing. It is one of the best measures to protect yourself and others from getting sick because it prevents the spread of microorganisms and reduces the risk of getting other communicable diseases. These are the practices that you should regularly do to stay clean and healthy. Remember, personal hygiene is important because it affects your health and well-being, as well as the health of those around you. Thank you, my dear learners. This is your wellness buddy, Teacher Maricel, reminding you to be responsible for your health by regularly practicing good hygiene. Practice the 7 healthy habits. You start it right now.